This is a 2009 Cadillac CTS. Its top features include a navigation system, heated front seats, a low tire pressure indicator, a premium audio system, commercial-free satellite radio, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: memory settings for the driver's seat's positions, so you can recall your favorite position with the push of one button, air conditioning, cruise control, leather seats, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, an anti-lock braking system, rear curtain airbags, an auto-dimming rearview mirror, and this vehicle has fewer than 50,000 miles on the odometer. This Cadillac has had only one owner, and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Please call us today for more information on this great vehicle.
Hi, I'm Mark Labadie, and I'd like to personally thank you for visiting our website. We're a family-owned business and been doing business for over 60 years in mid-Michigan. All of our vehicles have been professionally inspected and hand-detailed to ensure that you're getting the maximum value. Remember, we'll do whatever it takes to earn your business.